guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching Khao Pio Must. And today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and amazing chicken pickle recipe. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it. To make chicken pickle, first I'm going to marinate the chicken. For that, in a bowl, I'm going to add 500 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. I'm going to use chicken with bone. You can use boneless chicken, but chicken with bone adds a nice flavor to the pickle. Now in this I'm going to add lemon juice, that is of 1 lemon. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt as per taste. Mix everything well. After giving it a nice mix, now I'm going to keep this aside and let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. Now as the chicken is getting marinated, I'm going to dry roast some spices. For that, in a pan, I'm going to add 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 2 tablespoons of dhaniya, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, that is rye, and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. I'm going to dry roast all the spices. I'm going to transfer all the spices in a mixer jar and make it into a powder. Masala powder for the pickle is ready. Now I'm going to keep this aside. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now after the oil is heated, I'm going to fry the marinated chicken. Fry the chicken until all the water in the chicken is absorbed. Make sure there is no water left in the chicken. This process is very important for this recipe to make sure that the pickle won't get spoiled because of the moisture. Now as the water is absorbed and the chicken has changed its color to golden brown in color, I'm going to take the fried chicken in a bowl and keep it aside. Now in the same oil, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm using freshly made ginger garlic paste as this gives a nice flavor to the pickle. Now after the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, I'm going to add already fried chicken. Now I'm going to add already made masala, that is about half cup. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to add some salt as per taste. Give it a mix. Make sure you add salt accordingly as we already added some salt in the marination. After giving it a nice mix, now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri mirch. Give it a nice mix. Kashmiri mirch gives a nice color to the pickle. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and let the chicken pickle cool down for a bit. Now after the chicken has cooled down a bit, I'm going to add some lemon juice, that is about 2 lemons. Give it a nice mix. Now if you think that the oil has become less in the pickle, add some hot oil to the chicken pickle. Give it a nice mix. After giving it a nice mix, chicken pickle is ready. You can transfer this pickle in an airtight container and this pickle can be stored up to 3 months. Well, that's it for today guys. Chicken pickle came out really well. It is easy to make and also it can be stored up to 3 months. Hope you all liked the recipe, and if you did, do try this amazing recipe and please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Khao Pio Mast.